In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Pandadoc to streamline your documents. The goal here is to standardize the documents you send, reduce manual edits, and make signing smoother for everyone involved. Start by going to Documents. From there, click Templates or select the plus Create option. This is where you build a reusable foundation for the contracts, proposals, or agreements you send over and over again. Taking a few minutes to set up a strong template now will save you a lot of time later, because you will not need to rewrite the same sections each time. As you create the template, keep your formatting consistent and leave space for the parts that change from client to client, like names, dates, or pricing. Next, open Variables on the right sidebar. Variables let you insert tokens, which are placeholders that automatically fill in with the right information later. Insert tokens for the details you commonly repeat, such as a client name or company name. When you use these tokens consistently throughout the template, you avoid typos and you keep the document uniform. A helpful tip is to use the same variable everywhere that detail appears, so a single value update fills the entire document correctly. After that, go to the Content Library and choose Plus Add. The Content Library is where you save reusable blocks, like an About Us section, a standard scope description, or your terms and conditions. This is especially useful when your team needs to use approved language every time. By saving these blocks once, you can drop them into new documents quickly without copying and pasting from old files. It also helps keep your messaging consistent. Finally, open Manage Recipients and choose Assign Roles. This is where you define who needs to sign, who might only need to view, and where each person is expected to act. Setting roles before you send the document prevents confusion and ensures the signature fields are placed correctly. Take a moment to double-check that each role matches the right recipient, so the signing flow is smooth from start to finish. That covers everything you need to know.